In this video we're going to go over Builderall's animated videos. What is up guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video we're going to be going over Builderall's animated video tool. And Builderall's animated video tool is very powerful and it allows you to create full animated videos, unlimited animated videos, sales videos and all sorts of cool animations. So you can make the videos as long or as short as you want. You can create fully functional animated videos. So they have tons of templates, tons of characters and expressions and music and sound effects and stuff like that. And you can also create your own with their whiteboard. You can insert your own animations and stuff like that. So really cool how you can use this animated video tool in your business and in your promotions. So without further ado, let's jump in. I don't need to tell you how awesome animated videos can be in your marketing. So having animated videos to describe your product, service, or doing an intro video can be really cool, especially if you're not good on camera. So let's take a quick look at the animated videos. So we're now inside the animated videos tool and we can create a new project. And then open the project, and then you can see all the templates that Builderall has to start off with. So I'm going to select this one, and then it's going to build the slides for you and show you the bottom part where you can edit and add transitions. So here we have all the different things that we can add: animated images, animated videos, static characters and stuff like that. And you can even add your own as well. So if you are not happy with the things that are provided, you can actually add your own sounds, add your own videos, animations and frames and stuff like that to truly make your own customized animated videos. So really powerful tool for creating animated videos for your marketing. So that was a quick overview of the animated videos tool inside of Builderall. I'm pretty sure you can use animated videos in your business. They're a fun, quick way of describing a product or service, and they don't take very long to create either. So I hope you found that useful, and I hope you found the Builderall tools useful. If you haven't already and you're ready to get started with Builderall, hit the link in the description to start your 7-day free unlimited trial of Builderall, unlimited access to the animated videos tool and all 29 plus tools inside the Builderall platform. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash that thumbs up, hit the subscribe and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.